And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 233. Let me show the glowing edges photo filter. We'll find it under filter, filter gallery. It's right here in the stylize folder, the only option. It may take some time to get processed depending on the image size and your CPU power. If you can't find it at all, use the drop down right here. That's alphabetically sorted. The three adjustment parameters are the edge width. This controls the thickness of the detected edges, and usually if you go higher, it's going to make them glow more up, you could say, and you're going to get fine and thin outlines with a lower value. Edge brightness, if you go down, you're going to have dimmer, subdued results, and if you go up, the glows will be intensified. And then we have the smoothness. This controls the jaggedness of the edges, and usually if you go down, you will have more pixel level details. It's gonna also get more grainy and noisy. And if you go up, the edges will be smoother and therefore you're gonna have less details. So in this case, I wanna go up with the smoothness a little bit. As always, don't forget to confirm via OK. And this is how you can use the glowing edges photo filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.